It's Margarita, and today we are taking it to the house of Valentino with Voce Viva Intensa. Intensa, not sure how you pronounce it because sometimes it's French and sometimes it's Italian. I'm gonna go with Italian, so Intensa, because Valentino was an Italian house. But anywho, potato. Check out this bottle. Hey, that rhymes. I didn't plan on that. This is so cute. I typically buy smaller sizes of fragrances now because my collection is large and I don't want to have big bottles that aren't going to get used. So when they have this 1 ounce option, I'm like, let me try this. I really like the original Voce Viva, but I don't own it. I didn't like it enough to add it to the collection. Now let's see what this is given. Atomizer's great. I don't know if you saw how it shot across, but while this is drying, let's see what the notes are. We have mandarin orange, bergamot, orange blossom, jasmine sambac, bourbon vanilla, and moss. So this sounds like it's going to be a sweet, salty citrus, just based on the notes. Jasmine has a tendency to go salty on me, but the bourbon vanilla is nice and sweet. Moss, it's just kind of a balancer, I guess. And what else is in here? Oh yeah, the orange and the bergamot, citrus. Now, citrus notes usually are in the top of a lot of fragrances because it helps brighten it up and make it effervescent. So they usually dissipate after a few minutes, but this smells really good. It smells like it could be related to Black Opium by YSL. I do think that this line is like a nice response to Black Opium without being Black Opium. It's like the younger sister of that. So if you like Black Opium, I do believe you'll like this. It's not for me because I don't like Black Opium. It's sweet, but it's almost a too mature sweet, almost like the candy you'll find in that lady at church that keeps the bag of candies in her purse that gives it to all the children. That's what this smells like, as does Black Opium. So it's very nice. It smells good. It's just not for me. It's very mature. Now, I don't know if it leans mature on a lot of other people, but on me, it could be the jasmine, which I'm really not picking up too much. I'm not getting any of the vanilla, which is what I was hoping for because y'all know vanilla is my favorite fragrance note. I'm just getting a sweet floral bottom of a bag, like a purse full of candy. What do you get? Let me know in the comments. Also, do you know what would help brighten this up? Because I think it's probably wearable if it's layered. I really don't like layering fragrances, especially fragrances that cost more than $100, but I kind of like it. I'm on the fence. It's mature, but it's nice. At least it's not going powdery. It's very juicy. So let me know in the comments what you think will layer well with this. Also, like and subscribe to our channel because we talk about it all. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.